case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Hamer v. Sidway case in 1891 has become a unique centerpiece in the world of legal contracts and trust. Heard before the New York Court of Appeals, the case dealt with an unusual contract between an uncle and his nephew. The heart of the dispute lays in a peculiar promise. The uncle, William Story Sr., offered his nephew, William Story Jr., $5,000 if he refrained from drinking, smoking, swearing, and playing cards until he turned 21. The younger Story agreed and stayed true to his word. On his 21st birthday, Story Jr. claimed his reward, penning a letter to his uncle to remind him of the deal. Story Sr. validated the claim, acknowledging he was indeed indebted to his nephew. However, he intended to hold on to the money, letting it accrue interest until he felt his nephew was mature enough to handle such a sum responsibly. The situation took an unexpected turn when, unexpectedly, the uncle passed away before he could transfer the money to his nephew. When the executor of Story Sr.'s estate refused to honor the promise and denied Story Jr. his due, the latter found himself compelled to sue for his uncle's unfulfilled promise. The initial judgment from the trial court sided with the nephew, underlining the validity of the promise made by the uncle. The plot thickened when the appellate court reversed this decision, siding in favor of the uncle's estate. Ultimately, the New York Court of Appeals found the nephew's pledge to forego personal liberties, such as drinking and gambling, to be a valid consideration for the contract, regardless of any tangible benefit accruing to his uncle. The court moreover established that the relationship between uncle and nephew was not merely debtor-creditor, but trustee-beneficiary. The uncle had set the money aside for his nephew, effectively creating a trust. The Hamer v. Sidway case thus has offered legal professionals and scholars alike an intriguing exploration into the dynamics of consideration in contracts, the role of legal rights and personal liberties, and the intricate mechanisms of trusts.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.